Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Just Words Digital Podcast, where we decode everything digital and help you grow smarter. And today we are going to discuss on a topic which has taken the digital marketing agency by a storm: how artificial intelligence is reshaping SEO. From the way we create content to how search engines interpret it, AI has a phenomenal role to play in all the major shifts that we are seeing today. So let us delve deeper and discuss few of the very critical points of how AI is reshaping SEO. First up, let us talk about AI generated content. Today, marketeers are using numerous AI tools like ChatGPT and many other to produce content at scale. SEO friendly blog posts, product descriptions, and meta titles and many more are produced in a matter of minutes with the help of AI. What is the upside of this? Speed and scale. Today you can create content ideas, generate blogs, create FAQs, and even the first draft of the content itself in a matter of minutes, which earlier used to take hours. But here is the catch. Not everything generated by AI is Google worthy. Search engines today are smart enough to identify spammy content, and beware, if the search engines identify your spammy content, they will simply strike it out and will not show it to their users. That's why Google's EE80 framework, which is experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust, plays a major role today than ever. So, the real opportunity here lies in using AI to ideate and create the structure, whereas letting human writers to polish, verify, and structure the content in a way which is valuable for the users. The second most important thing to focus upon is how search engines have gone native. Let us now flip the lens and see how search engines are using AI themselves. Google's evolution from RankBrain to BERT and now Gemini is a shift in itself. These are not just algorithm updates, but they are AI language models that understand the intent, the context, and the natural language far better than before. For example, if someone types a query, best places to visit near Texas for weekend trip, the older algorithms might have matched for the keywords. But with the new AI models, they clearly understand that it is an informational query which requires a list of places around Texas which are great for weekend getaways and looks for pages with contents accordingly to produce them to the users. What is the implication of this for SEO? Right for humans, not for bots. Google is very clear about it. Think semantically, think syntactically, and think from the human perspective and then create your content, not just for manipulating the bots. Google is very strict about any such content which is developed for manipulating the bots. Next, we see the rise of LLMs and their impact on SEO. Let us focus on LLMs like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. LLMs are not just content generators, they are the powerhouses of how content is searched and delivered. Search is no more linear. It is conversational. Users ask open-ended questions and LLMs give contextual summaries. So what does it mean for SEO? Number one, your content should be structured in a way that is preferred by LLMs because they can then contextually read and provide the summary. Number two, the content must be created with clear sections, schema markup, FAQs, and internal links. Number three, and because LLMs can often provide answers in summaries even without clicking through, your goal should shift from just rankings to brand visibility within the LLM answers itself. So you see that the KPIs of measuring the success of SEO has completely changed. Now let us talk about AI overviews and answer engine optimization, which are the new frontiers of SEO. As we all have seen that now Google provides AI overviews for most of the informational queries, which is a summarized content presented in a form which a user can read without even clicking through. This AI overviews scans content from multiple sources and summarizes it in a way which is relevant and useful for the user. Here's the big shift. We are moving from search engine optimization to answer engine optimization. And to compete here, your content should be extremely concise, authoritative, well structured with bullets and summaries, and supported by structured data like schema markups. Additionally, featuring in Google's AI overviews is like winning the featured snippet, and you have to earn it by writing clean, fact-rich content in a well-structured manner. And last but definitely not the least, AI is helping technical SEOs to be superhumans. AI integrated tools like Screaming Frog with GPT plugins, Content King, Sitebulb are making audits more intelligent. They are not just identifying the errors but also explaining why these errors matter and how to resolve them. Even a task like log file analysis, which once used to be a long and boring task, can now be simplified with the use of AI tools. And tools like ChatGPT can actually read the Core Web Vitals report and provide solutions to optimize the same. So what is the bottom line? The bottom line is AI is speeding up boring, error-prone tasks in technical SEO, allowing us to focus on strategy and UX improvements. So here you have it. The 5 ways which we discussed today of how AI is actually changing SEO. Number 1, AI powered content creation. Number 2, AI native search engine optimization. Number 3, the rise of large language models. Number 4, AI overviews and answer engine optimization. And last but not the least, number 5, technical SEO and AI auditing. So as we see, AI is not here to replace SEO, but to amplify what we are already doing. The best results are produced when AI and humans collaborate smartly and do things in a manner which can produce amazing results. So friends, thanks for tuning in today. Please do not forget to subscribe to our podcast channel for more updates and discussions like this, which actually might give some really valuable information for you and your clients and your businesses. Until next time, keep learning, keep experimenting, keep optimizing. Have a good day. Bye-bye.